Hi there, Bret from Lowe's here, and with the dip in the temperatures, your furnace is working extra hard. You probably have a couple of rooms like your bedroom and your bathroom that you want to keep warmer with a supplemental heater. Well, Lowe's carries a full line of energy-efficient portable heaters, and here's just a few. Like this Delonghi ceramic heater that features a 1500-watt ceramic element and a quiet 2-speed fan that deliver 5120 BTUs of instant warmth. This is a great personal compact heater that's perfect for the bathroom or any other small room. It's a convection heater, so it blows warm air moments after you turn it on. You can focus the heat, or by pressing the oscillation button, you can warm up a wider area. And the 24-hour timer lets you set it to turn itself off. Its Eco Plus setting saves energy by automatically adjusting the thermostat and the power settings. And with the fan-only mode, you can enjoy a nice breeze in the summertime. Now, if you need to heat a larger room, this oil-filled Pelonis Radiator heater delivers 5,200 BTUs of cozy, radiant heat. Now, this is a great heater for your garage or any other large room in your house. It's quiet and reliable because it has no moving parts. Its 3 power settings and thermostat lets you find your perfect temperature, and it radiates heat long after you turn it off. The casters make it easy to move from room to room. The modern safety features, high output, and low price make this oil-filled Pelonis Radiator heater a great value. Next is this 1500-watt Duraflame Infragen heater. It combines 2 energy-efficient technologies to give you the focused heat of the halogen element, while the infrared quartz element heats over 300 square feet of area with 5,200 BTUs. The heater comes in this handsome furniture cabinet, and it features this remote control. There's a timer for automatic shutoff, and the digital display lets you find your perfect comfort level. Its Eco mode uses less energy to maintain the temperature. It has casters, and it comes fully assembled, so it's ready to plug in right out of the box. Your Lowe's carries these and other great portable heaters to help keep you comfy this winter. Just ask the Red Vests in the seasonal department. They'd be delighted to show you the entire selection and help you find the right heater for your space.